Michele Morrone is an Italian actor, model, singer, and fashion designer. She was born on October 3, 1990 in Bitonto, Italy. Morrone married Rouba Saadeh, a Lebanese stylist, in 2014. The couple had a civil marriage in Italy and Lebanon. In 2018, Morrone divorced his wife and gained mutual consent from the babies. He signed a 3-year contract with the production company and will be filming 2 more films to complete the trilogy. In 2019, Morrone played the lead role of Luigi in Bar Giuseppe. He is the youngest of 4 children and he has 3 older sisters. His father worked as a construction worker and died in 2003 when Morrone was 12 years old. His mother Angela, a seamstress, and his father Natalie are both from Bitonto but moved to Melignano when their children were young in order to find better employment opportunities. Morrone decided to become an actor after watching a Harry Potter film at age 11. He began acting in an after-school program at his middle school. Morrone repeated his first year of high school after being left back for bad behavior. He then studied professional acting in a theater in the city of Pavia at the Teatro Fraschini di Pavia. In 2016, he took part in the 11th season of the Italian version of Dancing with the Stars where he placed second. Morrone's acting career began in 2011 by playing the role of Riccardo in Second Chance, a 3-episode web series directed by Pier Giorgio Sedita, which was cancelled after 1 season. He also appeared in a music video by the Italian girl band Macai in 2012. After gaining more experience in the field, he started playing lead roles in short films. He acted in 2 Tempo di una, Cigaretta and E la da Vita Continua. Morrone is a professional guitarist and singer. He learned how to play the guitar at the age of 25 by watching YouTube videos. On to August 2020, Morrone launched a women's beachwear clothing brand, Aurum Roma. He confirmed the creation of the company via an Instagram live story on 8 August 2020. Shortly after the announcement, the website of the clothing brand crashed due to heavy traffic. Morrone makes his own designs in collaboration with fashion designer Chiara Polano. The company is owned by Morrone and run by Spezio Arco Company.